Welcome to the last video! We're doing numbers 49 and 50 of your final geometry review. Hopefully after this video, you'll be ready for your final. We're finding the surface area of the sphere with the given dimensions. We're leaving our answers in terms of pi. If you remember, and if you maybe look at your little note sheet, the surface area of a sphere, the formula is 4 pi r squared. They give us a diameter, so I know d equals 14. Remember, your radius is your diameter divided by 2. So to find r, we're going to do 14 divided by 2, which is 7. And then that's what we're plugging into our equation. So we're going to have 4 pi times 7 squared for surface area. When I square 7, I get 49. So I really have 4 times 49 pi. And then we're going to do 4 times 49. And that gives me 196 pi. My units would be centimeters squared. And that's your answer. And it is letter B. The last one, we're finding the volume of our cylinder. Your volume formula is V equals pi r cubed, all divided by, oh man, I forgot something, 3. Don't forget, it's really 4 pi r cubed. In this case, our radius is 9, so we're going to do 4 pi times 9 cubed divided by 3. 9 to the power of 3 gives me 729. So we have 4 times 729 pi divided by 3. If I do 4 times 729, I get 2,916 pi divided by 3. This one they want us to figure out what the actual answer is, so let's divide 2,916 by 3 first, and we have 972 pi, and then we'll just type that into our calculator. When I do that, I get 3,053.6, which will round up to 3,054, which is answer C. Congratulations, you have made it to the end of our geometry videos. Hopefully you will do great on your final.